On a hot summer day, a crow was flying across the countryside. The weather was extremely dry, and there had been very little rain for weeks. Rivers had shrunk, ponds were nearly empty, and finding water had become a difficult task for many animals. The crow had been searching for water since morning. As the sun climbed higher into the sky, he became weaker and weaker. His throat felt dry, and his wings grew heavy from exhaustion. If I do not find water soon, he thought, I may not survive this terrible heat. Determined to keep searching, the crow continued flying over fields, trees, and deserted roads. Just when he was beginning to lose hope, he noticed something shining in the distance. Curious, he flew closer and discovered a tall pitcher standing beside an old cottage. His heart filled with excitement. "At last," he cried, "I have found water." The crow quickly landed beside the pitcher and looked inside. To his delight, there was indeed water at the bottom. However, his happiness soon disappeared when he realized there was a problem. The water level was very low. The pitcher was tall and narrow, and no matter how far the crow stretched his neck, his beak could not reach the water. He tried again and again, but every attempt failed. "This is terrible," he said sadly. "The water is right in front of me, but I cannot drink it. What can I do?" he thought. Then he saw some small stones on the ground. An idea came into his mind. The crow picked up a stone and dropped it into the pitcher. Plop! The stone fell to the bottom. The water rose a little. The crow dropped another stone into the pitcher. Plop! The water rose again. Now the crow knew what to do. He kept putting more and more stones into the pitcher. Slowly, the water came higher and higher. After some time, the water was near the top of the pitcher. The crow could finally reach it with his beak. He drank the cool water and felt happy. "Using my brain helped me to solve the problem," said the crow. Then he flew away happily. The end of the story. For more interesting stories, like, share, subscribe to the channel.